How to fix Instagram DMs or messages problem in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram DMs or messages easily and fast. So first thing, go to settings on your phone. Now this is the settings page. As you can see right here, you will find so many options, but don't worry. All what you have to do is scroll down and go to the apps option, and then go to apps again in the top, and then here on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So click on the search bar and search for Instagram like this. Click on it, and then all what you have to do is click on storage, click on clear data and clear cache, then go back and click on the app details, and it will take you to Play Store. Now all what you had to do, if there is a new update, click on update to update your Instagram, and then go back and click on force stop. Now all what you have to do is reopen Instagram and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.